Hi, and today we are going to be talking about Rubik's Cube. Not talking about them, but now we're talking about them. So we have 3 Rubik's Cubes, 2 3x3x3s,
and 1 2x2
times 2. I can solve all 3 of them, and I'm going to be talking a little about these right now. So this Rubik's Cube is, since I bought it about a year ago, it's pretty not smooth anymore, but it used to be very smooth, and it's good for beginners who want to try and solve 2x2x2s. This one, still pretty smooth. Not as smooth as new ones, but like this one, very good for beginners. And this one, which...
Please get solve it first.
Okay, he's gonna solve it first. So this one also is a sticker Rubik's Cube. Well, this one is a paint Rubik's Cube. I think it's permanent marker because I tried using a whiteboard marker and erasing the whiteboard marker. It caused this mark over here. So, not as smooth as a new one, still pretty smooth, good for beginners, like I said. And I have another Rubik's Cube, my brother's solving it, I'll wait while solving this one. Okay, now I'm gonna solve this Rubik's Cube, waiting for my brother with the other Rubik's Cube before I'm gonna talk about it. Not gonna be that long, for about 60 seconds.
Crazy.
Are you done solving it yet?
I haven't even started.
You haven't even started?
Stop complaining and get to work.
I am getting to work and solving this.
That's not work.
That's not work.
That's not work. It's network.
Done solving this. I can also solve 2x2x2. Gonna solve it. Waiting for my brother. First, I have to mix it
Do
up.
I have a jokester?
It is not smooth at all. I mean, it's still pretty smooth, but not so smooth.
Not so smooth.
Bought it about a year or maybe 2 years ago. Now I'm going to
Maybe
start
3
solving
years.
it. Half a minute would be I'll probably solve it in about half a minute. There.
I think that's fast. But if you're professional, you would not.
Okay. Okay.
And I just skipped this step.
Done with the small Rubik's Cube. Don't know what to do. Both of them one-handed. I don't know.
And we just skipped this.
Okay, now this Rubik's Cube over here. It's pretty good. It's still very new, so it's still very slippery, has a nice sound. It is easy to turn and smooth, but if it's a little crooked or twisted like that, it cannot spin at all. Unlike this cube, which can still spin if it's a little crooked, or
like this one. Look.
or like that one. If it's still like that, you can still spin it.
Like
You can
this.
still spin it. But this one, it has to be almost perfect to spin it. Still pretty good, and now I'm gonna solve it. Okay. And this will not take long. This will not take long at all.
Not long to eat. What?
Just a little bit more time on this.
He's still not almost done.
I am.
Yeah.
I am almost
He is
done.
almost done. That's why he's trying to break the Rubik Cube, but he's not.
I'm not breaking the Rubik's
No,
Cube. This
I mean-
Rubik's Cube is almost impossible to break.
No, I meant the minion ball.
And I'm done solving that. I don't know which one was faster. Maybe
Somebody
one
to
of you
time
would
us?
know. So
Time
I don't know what cube is better
Watch
for
the
me.
video one more time and time us.
Now I
Time
think me and Lingo should do a Rubik's Cube solving challenge. We mix each other's cubes.
Since our solving are pretty the same.
Solving is pretty much the same. Not pretty much the same. I'm a little bit faster. He does it in about a minute and a half or a minute and 45 seconds. Maybe 2 minutes. I do it in about just under a minute. So we start.
3, 2.
Wait, I have to. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. We use the same technique, the beginner method. Still trying to find a new method to do this. Not working.
I don't care. The only thing I care about is the Rubik's Cube breaking.
Don't make the Rubik's Cube break.
Ooh, I will.
Don't make it break.
Why shouldn't I?
Why shouldn't you? Because it's our Rubik's Cube.
No, this was mine.
No, that's mine.
No, that's mine. You gave it to me.
Oh yeah, I gave it to you.
And that one is still mine. And I say I gave it to you.
Just in case you don't know, I'm from Thailand.
It's breaking English. Is it breaking?
Yeah. Done.
I don't care.
Well, he's still at his second layer.
Of course I'm not.
Now he's on his third layer. I'm just gonna solve this little cube.
Last time I skipped a step. Okay, don't bother me.
My record of solving a small cube is about 20 seconds, I think. This is not it.
Hold up, you're still not done.
I am. You're cheating. You're cheating. I'm putting this behind here.
I'm already
Just
done.
going to solve.
Give me that Rubik Cube.
Okay, now I'm done with. Now we're all done with solving these 3 Rubik's cubes. So that's all for our Rubik's Cube video. Thanks for watching and please subscribe. Bye!
If somebody likes this video, comment too.
Just in case you want to know where we bought this, I forgot where I bought this. I got this from Mr. DIY.
And this
that
is from
Toys R Us, and it's very, when I said it's very new, it is. I only bought it about 8 hours ago.